Okay, hello. Guys, we're just going to look at the day 17 worksheet, these Venn diagrams. In class, we didn't do all of these, so I'm going to kind of do them quick. We actually kind of did the simple ones. It might be the harder ones that you're hung up on, and we didn't do those. Anyway, the first one, set A is multiples of 3. I circled them in blue there, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then multiples of 5 is 5, 10, and then 15 they have in common. So 15 goes in the middle. 5 and 10 goes with B. 3, 6, 9, 12 go over here. All the other numbers that sit out here. All right, the ones that we didn't circle go out here. And if a number is chosen at random, find the probability that the number will be in the intersection of set A and B. Well, there's only one number in the middle. And there's 16 numbers we chose from. So 1 out of 16, okay? Number 2 here. Again, what's set D? It's everything in the circle D here, 5, 9, and 6. All right, the union is both of them together. The union. Again, when it's right side up, think larger. It's larger, right side up. It holds more water like a cup. So it's all of them together. 1, 4, 5, 9, 6, okay? And the complement of B is everything that's not in B. I'm sorry, everything that's not in C. So C is right here. These 4 are in C. So it's these 3 that aren't in C. 7, 6, and 11. All right. All right, guys, a total of 80 students. Just a minute here. All right, 80 students are juniors at Central High School. So 80 is the total. All right, 9 students study French and German. So 9 goes in the middle. They study French and German. All right, 35 students study only French. So only French. Oops, that 35 should have been over here. 35 study only French. All right, 2 students do not study French or German. The 2 are on the outside. And then you want to know this one right here. All right, so we add 2 plus 9 plus 35. That equals 46. But they said there's 80 total. So 80 minus 46, that leaves 34 that studied only German. And that's what they're asking. How many students study only German? 34, okay? All right, number 4. Wedding guests have ice cream or custard with their dessert. All right, the Venn diagram shows the information about the choices they made. Now, how many guests had custard? It's, guys, everything inside here, the 9 and the 34. Add them together, that's 43. How many guests had ice cream and custard? That's in the middle here. They had them both, 9. And how many went to the wedding? Just add all the 4 numbers up. Include the 13. Don't forget about the 13. Add them all up. They all went to the wedding. These 13, they didn't have ice cream or custard. Okay, 107. You might want to double check that, all right? I think that's what it is. All right, number 5. You guys just write down the numbers. They give you the Venn diagram. What's at the intersection of A and B? The intersection, upside down U means it holds less. Holds less water, like we're dumping out the water in the cup. Less. All right, so the intersection is just 9 and 4. All right, the union of set is all of them together. The union is larger. Everything in the circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 numbers there, okay? The complement of set A and set B. All right, the complement, A and B together are everything in the circle. The complement is just what's outside the circle, then 17 and 40. Again, if I just chose randomly one of the numbers in this diagram, what's the probability that the number will be in the complement of B? The complement of B. All right, well, the bottom is the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 numbers total. That's 8 possible outcomes. But the event we're talking about is outside of B. So outside of B, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 eighths, okay? Guys, we skipped 6. You don't have to do it. 7 and 8, we also skipped. We don't have to do them. Number 9 is the last one we have to do. All right, they're telling us there's 150 cars in this park. It's a car park. All right, they give you all the numbers here. So all these added together equals 150. So I just took 2x plus 5 plus x minus 7 plus 21 plus 68. All right? So I wanted to find what x was so I could actually solve and find out what's inside here. All right, I combine like terms. The x and the 2x go together. That gives me 3x. 5 minus 7 plus 21 plus 68 equals 87. So I took this right here. I subtracted 87 from both sides. So this just becomes 3x on this side. And 150 minus 87 was 63. So I got to get the x now. So I divide both sides by 3. That gives me x. Divide this by 3, I got 21. So x is 21. So 21 minus 7, this is 14. And then 2 times 21 plus 5, I got 47. All right, they want to know, if a car is chosen at random, what's the probability that the car is red? What's the probability it's 21 or 14, right in here? All right, 21 plus 14, 35 red cars. 35 red cars. Again, there's 150 cars total. So 35 out of 150. It reduces to 7 over 30. All right, and that's the end. We did not do number 10 either. All right, thanks. That's it.